I'm going to be showing you how to fix payment error 40036 or 4001 in Tinder. So the first thing to fix this problem is to double check that all the letters and digits on your credit or debit card are correct. Sometimes you may have typos, so make sure you check that. And ensure the billing address and postcode you entered match your card's information exactly. You can also see or check for recurring payments. Some gift cards, prepaid cards, select debit cards may not support recurring subscription payments. You also need to make sure that you have enough funds for the purchase. The second thing to do is to verify your account details. An Apple ID can only be associated with one Tinder account and one active subscription at a time. So if you see a purchase failed error, it might mean your Apple ID is already in use with another Tinder account. You also need to ensure that the Tinder app and your device's App Store or Google Play Store are updated to their latest version. You can also try using a different payment method such as PayPal, which is available for Tinder purchases. If the issue persists, then you might try contacting Tinder support, and in this way you can successfully fix payment error in Tinder. I hope this video was helpful for you. Please leave us a like and drop us a comment down below, and we'll see you again in our next video. Thank you for watching.